What if I told you that you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on a bulky camera to capture professional-looking photos anymore? With prices of DSLR and mirrorless cameras climbing sky-high, more and more people are realizing that a smartphone like the Galaxy S25 Ultra can give them exactly what they need without burning a hole in their pocket. Camera prices in the US have recently shot up dramatically. Models like the Sony A7C are now cost $3,400, while the Sony A9 III has jumped to $6,800. Even compact cameras like the Ricoh GR for now sell for $1,499, which is a $600 jump compared to its predecessor. For someone who just wants to enjoy photography, these price hikes make little sense. After all, why would you spend $6,000 on a camera and lenses only to get tired of carrying that heavy kit around a month later? That's exactly why many people are choosing phones like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. You spend around $1,000, still get one of the most advanced cameras in the world, and have money left over for a trip to capture beautiful memories. Imagine this: buying a Galaxy S25 Ultra, hopping on a plane to Japan or New Zealand, and coming back with a collection of breathtaking shots that rival what you'd expect from much more expensive equipment. And the best part, you don't have to deal with complicated setups or endless adjustments. You just pull out your phone, point, and shoot. Take the story of Simona Halakaver, an actress and photographer who recently traveled to Japan with nothing but her Galaxy S25 Ultra. She managed to capture magical night shots, vibrant street scenes, and atmospheric images that could easily be mistaken for professional camera work. What's impressive is that she didn't even shoot in RAW format, which is usually what professionals use for heavy editing. Instead, she shot in JPEG, edited lightly with her favorite VSCO filters, and still produced incredible results. She says she prefers the main 200-megapixel sensor with optical image stabilization because it offers the most flexibility and the best image quality. According to her, sometimes the power of photography is not about capturing every single detail in full light, but about playing with shadows, silhouettes, and atmosphere. And that's the real shift happening today. Smartphone cameras aren't just about convenience anymore, they're about creativity. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, for example, handles night exposure better than its predecessor, avoids over-sharpening, and gives you a dynamic range that looks professional straight out of the phone. For most people, this is more than enough. You don't need to lug around lenses, change filters, or worrying about settings. You can focus on telling a story through your pictures. If you're serious about photography but don't want to spend thousands, there are plenty of great options besides the Galaxy S25 Ultra too. Phones like the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Pixel 10 Pro 40, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, Oppo Find X8 Ultra, and Vivo X200 Ultra all deliver professional-level results at a fraction of the cost of a dedicated camera system. And honestly, you don't even need the latest model. Photography contests like the iPhone Photography Awards have shown stunning results from devices years old, proving that inspiration and timing matter far more than hardware. So the question is simple: why spend $6,000 on a camera you'll barely use when you can invest in a flagship smartphone? Take it anywhere and never miss a moment? With the Galaxy S25 Ultra,